Love Moment Cordless Vacuum Sealer Kit for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars for food storage. Here's the unit. USB to USB-C, charging port, LED readout, power switch. This is the bottom that goes on the top of your jars to vacuum them. You get 4 small sizes, 4 large sizes for sealing your jars. USB to USB-C charging cable. You get the electric mason jar sealer instruction manual. Very good bargain for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your canning accessories. Thank you.